make $50 over and over and over. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money by taking surveys online. So my name is Darius Mckinney, and I'm a digital entrepreneur that helps people make money online through affiliate marketing to achieve time, location, and freedom. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a free gift, so you don't want to miss that. And let's get into today's content. So the first website I want to show you can make money by taking surveys online is called Vendel Research. So basically, as you know, you get paid to do surveys, but there's different ways you can also get paid besides doing surveys. So let me just show you, right? So if you want to just do surveys, right, you would click here to press free and get started, and it will take you. You have to sign up your name, email, and your PayPal and all that stuff. So you first you can watch videos and take surveys and get paid through PayPal. And you must have PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you won't be able to get paid. But the first time you get paid, they'll send you a check, and you have to deposit the check to your bank, and then you start getting payments through PayPal. So basically, as you can see, you get easy online surveys. It takes like it depends. Most of them are like 1 minute to 5 minutes, and the highest I think was like one time was like 7 minutes. It depends on, because you get paid a lot, so you probably get paid like, some are like $15, some are like $10, some are $2. So it just depends on the value of the survey and how long it takes. So, and a lot of people are getting paid from this. So as you can see, millions are getting paid. You get real money from PayPal, and you can do this on any device. You can do it on iPhone, you can do it on the tablet, you can do it on a laptop, anything you can access the internet to. So they show you how it works. So basically, you take a paid survey, and you share your demographics of yourself with Vendel Research, and this is one of the highest paying surveys in the industry. So I recommend you check them out. So as you can see, you get paid $10, $14, $2, and all depends on the type of survey you do. So you come down to show you the step number 2. Once you did the survey, you get paid, and you make $50 over and over. So basically, the highest cap you can make is $50, and then once you make $50, you redeem your points for PayPal, and you get paid. So basically, you get paid $50 over and over with PayPal. So the step number 3. Oh, there's no step number 3. So basically, they're showing you the number of members that have made money with them. So, and they're gonna show you like real testimonies of people made money with them. So as you scroll down, you got real people testimonials of people real made money with Vendel Research. So as you can see, Vendel paid me $50. Vendel paid me $50 up to 2 different women. So this is a real legit website if you want to make money with surveys. So let me show you the different ways you can make money with Vendel Research. So you go to ways to earn, and once that load up, it's going to show you like videos and different ways you can make money. So as you know, the first way is taking surveys. The second way is reward codes, referral, which is called affiliate marketing. If you want more affiliate marketing training, how to do that, you can click the first link in my description. It will teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing. So the next way is reward mail, and the last way is called video. So let me just show you each one. So basically, reward codes is basically you get paid to do just coding letters and all this different types of stuff. Like as you can see, challenges, polls, alerts, and just finding codes throughout the week, stuff like that. So the next one, referral, which is affiliate marketing. You just get paid $5 for each friend referral somebody to this website, and you just get paid $5 each and every time you refer somebody to this website. The next one is reward mail. So basically, you earn cash for every mail you open with them. So that's an easy way to do. So I'm guessing this probably like $1 or $2 or $3. Just depends on the email and how long or how short it is. So it just depends. The next one is you get just paid with videos, and you give them feedback, and you just simply just get paid with PayPal. So that's basically how you get started with Vendel Research. So if you want to check them out, you can go ahead and check Vendel Research. So the next website is called Mind Swarms. So basically, you just take surveys, and you get paid for answer questions and get video answers. So basically, like for example, right, you go to a store and they talk about they give you a question, say what for something about plates or tables or something like that. So you basically go to the store and see a table and you describe it or something like that, and you basically just get paid. So that's basically what you be doing with MindSwerve. So basically, the highest cap is like $50 or between $50 to $100, and you get paid through PayPal. So that's basically what you'll be doing with MindSwerve. So once you click pay to take surveys, it will take you to this page. So basically, you enter your email, your username, and your password, and you can click next. And also, if you want to click the apps they have, you can also download it on Apple Store or Google Play. So once you click next, it's going to take you to the next page. So the next page, you have to create your profile and your name. So once you set that up, you have to record your profile video, and your and that's pretty much how you get started with MindSwerve. So once that happens, you'll get start getting videos. You can start submitting and take surveys. So that's basically how you get started with MindSwerve. Now, the free gift I want to give to you is a free ebook which will talk about affiliate marketing, how you can build your own business around affiliate marketing, how to build passive income, and how to get started from A to Z. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, make sure you grab the link in my description. It will be the first link there. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification. And also make sure you comment and like this video and give me more feedback if I should post more content around this. So make sure you go do that. And I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.